Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Saltus, and today I'm gonna show you a video of how to install Kali Linux and configure it for TryHackMe. So first thing we need to do, and this is what I recommend, you want to be virtualizing this. So go to Kali's homepage, check out their virtual machine options. They have it for both VMware and VirtualBox. I recommend stable, not the weekly. Just grab a torrent of it. If you need a torrent client, download something called Tixati. Use that. But okay, so we downloaded it. Now what? Well, we need to open a virtual machine. We're essentially going to import it. So we go here. We go here. We go in here. I've already extracted it. And we should have VMware Virtual Machine Configuration. We're going to open it. And just like that. That is all we had to do. Yeah, it was that simple. Let me double check though. Yeah, okay. So now we want to power on the virtual machine. I'm going to close out of this. Whoops. Not close out of that. Let's make this. Let's maximize this. There we go. For your viewing pleasure, we need to maximize this. Then it's going to load. And then when it loads, we don't have to do too much configuration. We just need to set the screensaver information, and I think we need to download OpenVPN. And I'm going to walk you all through that, so don't worry. So the default password is going to be Kali. Default username password is going to be Kali. Logs us in. Oh, this looks okay. Now I'm going to check if we have OpenVPN real quick. So I'm going to do sudo space OpenVPN. I'm going to type Kali. Okay, we do have OpenVPN, so we only need to do one thing here. But we're going to do two things. So I'm going to go to TryHackMe. And while that's opening, I'm going to do an ls. I'm going to go cd documents, make sure there's nothing in, make directory. I'll make a directory for TryHackMe. Cool. And we're going to log into TryHackMe and grab our VPN file. And you'll see what we do with that. So it should be you. You're going to ask me, oh no, okay, you're not going to prompt me. I'm not going to save it on here. I'll just log in every time. That's fine. Okay. Cool. Got a picture of my kitty up there as my profile pic. So now, while this loads, yep, got it. I'm going to maximize this. I'm just going to click on something. I guess let's click on this. Oh wait, no, I can click on access. I'm sorry. Okay. I don't know why the VPN server is saying EU regular. We want this to switch to, I guess we can do, yeah. So we're going to download yep, okay. We're going to download the config file. Probably should have hit regenerate first. Kind of an idiot there. So I'm going to open this containing folder and just, we're just gonna move this to trash. Okay, now I'm going to download the OpenVPN file. It downloads. Cool. Now we're going to leave this open for right now. Now I'm going to go to Home, Downloads. I'm going to move you to Home, Document. I am confused here. Oh, Home Cali. There we go. I'm an idiot. Documents. TryHackMe. Now, to actually use the file, okay. We're going to go in here. We're going to do sudo OpenVPN, and then name of the file. You can use tab completion though. It's going to ask us for a password or a pseudo password. Okay, and we can look at the output right here. Yeah, okay, it worked. Cool. Now I know you can like send it to, you can just send it to like another session, right? I just out of principle, because I normally just boot up this VM to do TryHackMe, I just kind of leave the terminal open and just open other terminals. It doesn't, I mean, you can do whatever, but we can check now. So let's refresh this page. It should show, yep, we're connected. We have an internal virtual IP address. Okay, so we can start doing labs. Well, not just yet. We have a couple other things. So this is a VM, but we still need to adjust some display settings. When it is plugged in, I don't want it to go to sleep. I don't want it to switch off. I am on a laptop, okay? But even on your desktop, there might be some actually I do want that, but there may be some power options you want to adjust, okay? And then I believe I have to turn off the screensaver. I don't actually think that's in by default. I think I'm good. I actually forgot how to do this in Kali. Okay, let's try power again. No, I think we're good. Okay, so we're technically ready to do labs, but let's see if there's any updates. Okay? Because a lot of times you want to make sure that you have the latest packages. I'm just going to do sudo apt-get update. It's going to download the lists. Now this Kali VM, this 2022.3, this came out at the time of this video, I think like a week ago. So I'd imagine there's not going to be many updates. We're going to do apt-get upgrade. Whoa. Why is there so many? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, well, we can... Hmm. We can go ahead, hit that yes key, and it's gonna do its thing. Hopefully not break my system. It shouldn't break my system. I hope I didn't just break my system. Excuse me. But yeah, so it's gonna download all these. It's gonna update. I just saw a warning about something. That's wonderful. But then we will be good to go for labs, and then I'm gonna show off. I'm gonna show off some really simple labs to start that I've done. Walk you all through. Um, Using like Nmap and stuff. It's really cool. Maybe some Metasploit too. Well, obviously some Metasploit, right? That's really fun to do. But for this video, I'm going to call it. So what we did was we imported our Kali Linux VM. We updated it. And we disabled power settings because we don't need them. Right? At least plugged in. I mean, I guess if I was using my VM on battery, we could. But and then we updated the machine. And in the next episode, we're going to do a room or two. All right. Hope you all enjoyed this. Have a good one.